Hello, welcome to Enviro Chemicals. We've just got another product we're launching called Oxygone. It's a hydrogen peroxide based spot cleaner. So basically, it's a very good product. This we just made it, so we're just putting it to the test. Well, let's see how we're gonna go.
So we
All
got
right.
some wine stain here.
So we got a wine stain.
I'm just gonna spray it. So as you spray, you can already see
Okay.
it going much
That's
lighter.
yeah, that's a wine stain we got. Red wine. Okay, so just got some clear water.
Yeah, I'm just gonna re-spray
Just-
this just to show the whole procedure again. This is the red wine. I'll put a little brush. Kind of educate it. Okay. So I've got a wet towel.
Yep.
I'm gonna remove all the excess. Dry cloth.
All right.
That's red wine completely gone.
The red wine is disappeared.
Okay, now we have a coffee and a tea stain here.
Okay, so the coffee is the one, that one.
So that's
Yep.
coffee.
That's coffee.
So that's probably been there for a few
That's
weeks
been
now.
that's been there for about a week. Yeah.
Again, as you're spraying it, you can already see it getting very light in color. I'm going to educate it with the brush. By the way, that's a Viking brush. It's amazing.
Viking, yeah. Just got some water there. Just
Going to remove the excess off again.
all right. So basically, the coffee stain that's been there for a week is starting to look pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's gone 100%.
Okay.
It's actually gone so white that it's obviously a dirty carpet.
It's
You can
yeah, the
actually
carpet
see
was
it's
dirty.
gone like so much more wider compared to the
Okay.
actual carpet.
This is the product, Oxygone.
Yeah.
Alright, manufactured by Enviro Chemicals. So basically, yeah, these are our first tests we're doing on Oxygone, hydrogen peroxide base spot cleaner. So we just got rid of wine and coffee, and next one is our tea stain.